From WDSU, News Channel 6 is on your side.
Did you know skin cancer is the most common form of cancer in the United States? Well, 1 in 5 Americans will develop skin cancer in the course of a lifetime. And more than 90% of all skin cancers are caused by sun exposure. Scary to hear, but there is an easy way to protect yourself. WDSU medical editor Dr. Corey Abair is on call tonight to help us wade through the facts and the fiction when it comes to choosing the right sunscreen.
You should know by now that sunscreen is a must. That's because 80% of your daily exposure to the sun happens when you're walking outside or driving your car.
And so I encourage people to wear something that they like every day. And sometimes it takes experimenting with a few different products to find out what you like, but it should be part of your routine, like brushing your teeth.
So how do you wade through all those products on store shelves to find out which one is best for you?
All right, let me look at this thing, which looks a little suspicious right there. And how long
Dr. Sharon Meyer at Touro Infirmary has some sunscreen rules of thumb to follow. She recommends that you wear something that has an SPF of 30 or better. Put it on your hands, face, and neck, and any area not covered by clothing. And look for specific ingredients.
Zinc oxide is number one. Zinc oxide is the only ingredient that covers the whole spectrum by itself, UVA and UVB. Everything else needs to mix different chemicals together to cover the whole spectrum. And you want zinc oxide in a concentration of at least 3.5%.
The product should also contain titanium dioxide. These type of sunscreens are not likely to irritate your skin. And parents, watch out if you use those aerosols. You lose 30 to 50% of the sunscreen in the air, so you have to rub it in after applying it.
I know you've heard these precautions before, but they're very important, so I'm going to tell you again. I need you to stay out of the sun between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m., even on overcast days. I need you to not get sunburned, and I also need you to keep your newborns out of the sun. All these things will help you stay skin cancer-free and healthy. I'm medical editor Dr. Corey Abair on call. WDSU, News Channel 6.
And Dr. Abair has one more piece of advice for you. He says beware of the word waterproof. No sunscreen is truly waterproof. If you're outside sweating and swimming, you still have to reapply it every couple of hours, so keep that in mind.